because we're going to church. Ganun siya. But, kung sabihin mo, tara! Jump! Sana, oh, let's go! Jump!
Beautiful life. Beautiful life.
Beautiful eyes again. Beautiful eyes again. Beautiful eyes. Show your beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Every afternoon, pagdating sa trabaho, open yan. Mother ko dyan nakaupo, mag-slowway dyan. Sabi niya, 1 o'clock pa yan, apa na, mag-boom. Hihintay yan, waiting for me. Very smart. Very smart. You're so smart, huh? You're so smart. Half of that night, ito siya told me, Mommy. Sabi, gusto ko naman i-check yung bata. Nag-behave. Si Haina, okay, sila Cecil, if she is in a bad mood, they cannot kiss Mommy. She will sit, si Mommy nakaupo dito, siya dyan. Pag mag-kiss na, BAM! Pag jealous siya. She protects Mommy like crazy. Sabi ni Cecil, hi, Mommy ko yan! Hindi yan Mommy! Oh my God. Did you miss Luna? Did you miss Luna? Did you miss Luna? Kung makatabi pala ni siya, kung makasalita ka mo talaga, I'm sure she can talk. Asa ba? I wish I understand what you're talking about.